everyone. So today let's talk about what it takes to become a good teacher. A teaching is more than just delivering lessons. It's about the inspiring, engaging, and nursing students' curiosity and growth. First of all, passion for teaching. First and foremost, great teachers are passionate. They love their subject and are eager to share it with others. This passion creates an energetic and motivating environment where students are excited to learn. Effective communication. A good teacher knows how to communicate ideas clearly, adopt their style to suit different learning levels. Whether breaking down the complex concept or the encouraging discussion, effective communication fosters better understanding. Patience and empathy. Patience is key. Students learn at different phases, and it's important to support them without rushing or showing frustration. Empathy helps teachers connect with their students, understanding their challenges and providing emotional support when needed. Continuous learning. This is the most important part. The best teachers never stop learning. They stay updated with the latest teaching method, seek feedback, and are always looking for ways to improve. This shows students the importance of lifelong learning. In summary, become a good teacher requires passion, effective communication, patience, and commitment to learning. If you are dedicated to this principle, you can have a lasting impact on your students and
Leader.
inspire them for years to come. Thank you to all. Now, I would like to request Rafiqul Islam Khan sir, please say something about today's topic. Just for me, waiting for us.
Okay, my dear brother, all of you. But I have no any more to tell something about how to be a good teacher, good
Sir,
student, teacher, person, or another one. Just totally how to be a good one as a teacher, as a leader, as a businessman, as a good everything, good husband or wife or another thing. At first, we have to be determined to be a good person. If we are good, everyone likes us very much. And also, we must need a lot of skill in English language or another language, Arabic and Islam and everything. We have to show ourselves as a good one. We have to present ourselves as a good one so that everyone likes us very much. Our pitch should be very simple and very amiable. Okay, and then many other things like that.